Hi everybody, we are going to make lemonade today with Rhodes and Remy. Rhodes is almost 4 and Remy just turned 2, and this is a typical lesson that we would do during our summer fun unit, and the kids usually love it. So here we go. Do you want to say hi?
Hi. Hi. Are you sending it to your friends?
Yeah. Okay, so what do you think is the first thing that we need?
That.
What is that?
Lemon. Lemon.
Good.
Yeah, the first thing we need is lemon.
The first thing we need is a lemon. And what should we do with the lemon?
Squirt it.
Squirt it? Okay. Let's see. So this would be sabotage, just pretending, just following what they say and then doing it.
Yeah.
Does that work? Mm-mm. What should we do? Smash it. Look, I have a knife. What do you think we could do with it?
Cut.
We could cut the lemon. Yes, we could cut the lemon.
You might cut.
Watch, I'll show you. I'm going to cut it in half like this.
Right in half. Cut yourself.
Thank you. I'll be so careful.
Can I squeeze it there?
Can I show you? Just a second, baby. We're going to use a special thing to squeeze it. Look at this. Whoa.
What is
Cool,
it
huh?
called?
It's a lemon juicer.
What is
We're
it?
going to squeeze all the juice out of the lemon.
Can I do it?
So one thing that we love to do in
Can I
class,
do it?
just a second, is oftentimes we'll roll the lemons back and forth. We'll sort lemons and limes so they can sort yellow and green. And then we also like to taste the lemon and see if it's sour.
Yeah, and lemon is also really a special thing that keeps you healthy.
Do you taste it?
And it always
Tell me.
keep you healthy. Mommy,
You want to eat the lemon?
no.
Do you want to lick the lemon?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Mommy, tell me.
Say lick the lemon.
Lick, Mommy. Lick it. Oh, I need to eat it.
How is it? Ooh! How's it taste?
So sour.
It's so sour.
Can I eat the skin?
No, don't eat the skin.
The sour.
Ooh, it tastes sour. All right, let me scoot your chair in a little bit. Be careful. There you go. All right. Now, are we ready to squeeze it? We're going to squeeze it into this cup. That way, if any seeds fall in, we can get the seeds out, okay?
And then?
All right. So you each get 2 turns, okay? I have to start a little bit, and then you help me, okay?
Can it be Remy's turn first?
Well, that would be wonderful. Let me get it started, okay, Rem?
Okay.
Okay.
I can see
I have to
myself.
push.
Look, I can see myself.
That's like a little mirror, huh? Push. You see the juice coming out? It's going drip, drip, drip. Push.
Smells good.
Ooh, I can smell it too, yeah. Ready to squeeze it, Rem?
Yeah.
Okay. Squeeze, push.
Yeah.
Was it hard to do?
Yeah.
Push.
Can I do it too, Mama?
Just a second. This one is still Remy's turn, but I need a little bit. There you go, Rem. Help me squeeze it now. Squeeze! 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 Good job.
My turn.
Good job, Remy. Just a second.
I don't see what's in it.
I know. It's really fun and exciting, isn't it? How does it smell? Just smell it?
I smell it.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells so good. Yeah, just a second, honey.
We get some out first.
Yeah. Okay. Tell them what you're gonna do.
I'm going to squeeze this lemon and go squeeze. So I'm going to make a lemonade, and I always.
You're gonna squeeze it so all the juice comes out?
Yeah, I'm squeezing it all for all the juice to come out. We're gonna make lemonade.
Very good. Okay, I'm gonna get started like I did with Remy, okay? Don't suck your thumb while we do food things, okay?
And I'm cleaning it with my dress.
Okay.
It still smells good.
Ready? Whoa.
I'm doing it.
You're doing great.
Okay.
Oh, squeeze! Squeeze! Squeeze.
So heavy. The lemon's heavy.
It is hard to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at all that juice dripping out. Okay. Now look at this.
One more.
What is this?
Seed.
A seed? Remy, are you going to eat the seed?
Yeah.
You eat this?
No.
No way. Don't eat the seeds. Ew.
Ew. That makes your tummy too sick.
You're right. Make sure we don't eat the seeds, right? Yuck. Do you think we need more lemon?
Yes, sir.
Remy, tell me more lemon.
Lemon.
More lemon.
Lemon.
Good job. What should I do?
Cut it. No.
What?
No. Cut it.
Yeah, we have to cut it for it to go in this juicer.
Okay.
Okay, can you tell me cut the lemon?
Cut lemon.
Good job.
Cut it, Mom. Taste it.
So with his
Taste it.
language stage right now, I'm not going to worry about that. He said cut lemon instead of cut the lemon. We just keep moving on with it, but you always want to model it appropriately.
What's going to be in here?
This just helps us push it down. Okay, Rem, are you ready?
Yeah.
Say my turn.
My turn.
Stop sucking your thumb, baby.
I can't remember.
I know. Let's.
I just lost in my thumb.
I know.
I can't see the people.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
I cannot.
Okay, let me get it going a little bit more, Rem. Good job.
Yes, sirree. I mean, yes, ma'am, Ree.
Yes, ma'am, Ree. That's silly, huh?
Instead of yes, sirree. I see it. I see it.
Okay.
Ready. Okay. Start on Mom's turn.
Now it's Remy's turn.
No, my turn. No, my turn. Let's
I'm gonna try and go this way, but I don't think it'll work. Let's see.
It's working.
Whoa.
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 Hey, my turn, my turn, my
Alright,
turn.
so my turn.
Smash it.
We smashed it. That's right. Squeeze. Good job, Rem. Okay.
I'm stuck on that part.
Crazy. Ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Squeeze.
I'm going to do myself now.
No, wait. You have to wait till it's a little bit closer together to do yourself, honey. Wow. It's okay. Did you get in your eyes?
Yeah, I got
Sorry,
it on my
man.
elbow.
You okay? Remember, are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah. I mashed it.
Yeah, smashed it.
It's still on there.
Okay.
Mommy,
Now.
mash it. Mommy, apple. Mash it.
It's not an apple, baby, it's a lemon.
Wait, can we drink it yet?
This will be too sour to drink. We got to get all the seeds out first. Scoop the seeds.
Ouch, ouch.
These are some tiny baby seeds.
Can I see it?
Yeah. Lost it. See how little they are?
Yeah.
Really little seeds. I bet if those are in our lemonade, it's really probably okay. You okay, Rem?
But it's yuck. Oh my goodness, yuck.
Okay, so now we need sugar.
Sugar. Ooh.
Ooh-wee, yummy.
Can I see?
Let's see. Let me get some measuring cups first. Get a quarter cup.
Okay. Please stop it. Because I have to go teach you to stop making it.
Why don't you just go ahead and Remy will have the next turn. Okay? Daddy can help you.
Okay, you need to help me be so fast.
Okay. Daddy, can you help her?
I need to go so fast to go teach
Okay. Next we need sugar.
Okay.
You ready for it?
Yeah.
What should I do?
My mustard.
What are you doing?
Help me. Help me.
Help you what?
Help me.
Help me open. Did you do it?
Yeah.
You opened the sugar, big boy.
Yeah.
Ready?
Let me do it.
Pour. Yeah, you hold it right there. Pour. Pour. Just a second. Pour. Okay, good. Now tell mommy, pour the sugar.
Let me mushroom.
Say, pour the sugar.
Pour sugar.
Good boy. Good job.
And more white.
No, this is going to be for Roro. We can get it ready though.
Mommy.
1.
Mommy,
And help me count. 2.
mushroom.
It's Roro's turn.
No,
3.
Mimi turn. I know.
4. 5. Okay. Okay, put that there. And then Roey's going to pour the sugar, okay?
Mommy, why pour it?
Do you want to pour some of the lemon juice?
Yeah.
Okay. Just a little bit, and then Roey can pour some. No, pour it.
Pour it.
No, pour some.
Yeah. I don't want to get it off. I take my shirt off so we won't get all lemony. More. 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 More.
No, you need to put your dress back on.
Why? Why?
Because we can't do a video without your dress on, baby. No, look, now Roey's going to do sugar and lemon juice, okay? Okay, let's just finish the video and then you can take it off. Yes, put it down, please. No, now you spill it, baby. Okay, scooch on over, Rem. Okay, do you want to do lemon juice first or sugar first? Sugar? Okay, tell me, I want to pour the sugar first.
Pour the sugar first.
Very good. Good. Okay. Would you like to pour the rest of the lemon juice in?
And put all of it.
Yep. Remy already had a turn. Good job. Okay. Do you think it's ready?
Yeah.
What do you think we need?
I don't know.
Water.
Water.
Let me get some water, okay?
Can I watch you? I'm staring outside and watch.
I'm going to fill it up right here.
Yeah, but I'm going to watch you so that's
Right.
You see my pretty dress, guys?
Who wants to do water first?
Remy.
Remy, are you going to pour the water?
Yeah.
Okay, take your hand out of your mouth. My turn.
My turn.
Pour the water.
Her water. Oopsie.
Good job.
Oopsie for
Good job. Okay, now more water for Rhodes.
guys, I cannot see you. No, I don't want it right there. I need to pour it easy peasy, easy.
Lemon squeezy. Good. Now what?
Stir it.
Stir it up. Stir it slowly, please.
Okay.
Go round and round, round and round. Really nice and slow.
I hear the sugar.
Ooh, me too. Remy, do you hear the sugar?
Yeah. The sugar's going round and round on the spoon.
How does it taste, Rem? Sour?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Do you want to stir the lemonade?
That makes it bigger and bigger.
Tell Mommy, stir the lemonade.
Stir.
Good job.
Stir, stir, stir.
Round and round.
Round and round.
Nice and slow.
Nice and slow.
Keep stirring, big boy.
Yes.
You hear the sugar?
What?
Good job. No, 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 no. Look, Mommy's going to pour some in a cup for you to taste. Are you ready to taste it?
Yeah, taste it.
Okay. Let me make sure all the sugar got stirred in. A little bit more still, but that's pretty good.
We'll see.
Let's see it, and then we'll decide if we need more lemon juice or more sugar or more water. Okay?
Yes, sirree.
There you go.
Yes, ma'am, you
You silly.
I just know that.
Can Mommy taste a drink of yours to see if we need anything else?
Need anything else?
Maybe more water. Tell me what you think. Perfect? Is it good?
Not too sour, not too sweet. Great temperature.
Great.
Okay.
No, we don't need more sugar. Do you think it's yummy? You want more?
Pour it.
You want me to pour more lemonade?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me.
Tell me.
More, please.
More, please.
Pour the lemonade. All right, and that's how you make some perfect lemonade at home, right?
Mm-hmm. How are you going to do any more?
Can you tell everyone bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Reb, can you say bye-bye?